Angkatan Udara selama operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Kamis tanggal 28 April menuntaskan misi menghancurkan 76 aset militer di Ukraina. Penerbangan operasional taktis dan militer Angkatan Udara Rusia melancarkan serangan ke 76 aset militer Ukraina. Sasaran diantaranya 2 depot persenjataan rudal dan artileri di Pokrovsko dan Gorokhovsko, 1 pos komando, dan 73 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan musnahnya lebih dari 320 nasionalis Ukraina. Sebanyak 35 kendaraan lapis baja dan bermotor, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Jumat 29 April. Pada siang hari, pasukan rudal telah menghancurkan 1 peluncur roket Tokau dan menyerang 2 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 7 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di atas Bukino, Topolsku dan Ruskitiski di wilayah Kharkov, Redkoduk dan Marivka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Nogolny di Republik Rakyat Lugansk dan Chornobaivka di wilayah Kherson. Juga pada siang hari, 3 rudal balistik Tokau Ukraina telah ditembak jatuh di dekat Petropoli dan Malaya Kamisevaha. Secara total, 142 pesawat dan 111 helikopter, 621 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 277 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 2.629 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya. Sebanyak 302 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1.154 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.445 unit militer khusus kendaraan Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor dikutip
The armed
Tribun
forces
Timur.
of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 38 Ukrainian military assets, 3 command posts, 22 strong points of Ukrainian nationalist formations, 7 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 6 missile artillery weaponry depots and ammunition and fuel depots near Alexandrovka, Gusarovka, Dolginka and Barvenkova were destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 76 military assets of Ukraine, among them 2 missile and artillery weaponry depots in Pokrovskaya and Gorokhovskaya, 1 command post and 73 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 320 nationalists and up to 35 armored and motor vehicles. During the day, missile troops have destroyed 1 .U rocket launcher and struck 2 areas of Ukrainian armed forces manpower and military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means have shot down 7 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles over Bukina, Topolskaya and Russkie Tishki in Kharkov region, Redkoduk and Mariivka in the Donetsk People's Republic, Naugolnaya in the Lugansk People's Republic, and Chernobaivka in Kherson region. Also, during the day, 3 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been shot down near Petropolye and Malaya Kamishevaka. In total, 142 aircraft and 111 helicopters, 621 unmanned aerial vehicles, 277 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,629 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 302 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,154 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,445 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.